I have been trying everything under the sun to lose weight, and I can just say I am proud that I found out about this program. The Fat Loss Factor definitely helps. You have to stay committed to it, and one thing that a lot of people do is expect results overnight. And I was like that at first. I'm going to admit I was like that. I think one thing that helped me is that I stayed confident, I kept to it, and I saw results. I've been using the Fat Loss Factor now for about 2 months, and my results are showing. My family members are knowing. My husband noticed. I had a baby 6 months ago, and it was time for me to get back in shape, and I think that it is helping a lot. I'm going to put in the box below some information on 50% off and more savings, so definitely check it out. It's in the box below. And also, I just want to say that this is helping me, and my family noticed. My husband is all over me again. I don't want another baby, but I have struggled with this through high school, and the baby made me gain more weight, and I think that this is great. I've lost a good amount, and if you try this out, it's 50% off discount now for a limited time, and you get 4 bonus books. So definitely check out the discount link below this video. And I don't know how long it's going to last. I know it's a limited time, but I definitely recommend this. I recommended it to my friend last week when we had lunch. I wasn't going to tell her first, but I was like, okay, I guess, because she told me about this great shoes website. So I was like, I guess I'll tell you. But I can say this. I'm very happy, and I feel it on the outside. So I know that it's something great. So definitely check it out. And hey, just remember, if you tried this product, post a video. Let other people know, because I'm always looking to hear other stories and see what's going on, because if no one knows what's going on, there's so much stuff out there. And you could be like me. I went through so many products of trying this and that and no results, or it seemed like I gained more. So I definitely want to recommend the Fat Loss Factor. It's phenomenal. Okay, bye.